Forces and motion. Friction. When two objects rub against each other, there is one more force that starts acting on them. That is called the force of friction. Look at the teacher's chair. A small tap will not make the chair move. If you push very weakly, the chair may not move either. You need to push the chair firmly to make it move. Why does that happen? It is because the force of friction starts when you start pushing the chair. It always acts opposite to your push. Friction acts in a direction opposite to motion. When you push stronger than the force of friction, you can make the chair move. When the surfaces are rough, the friction is more. When surfaces are smooth, friction is less. So, it is easier to push something across a smooth tiled floor than it is to push something across a rough road. You know this very well yourself. You must have tried to skate across the floor at home with your socks on. Why do you wear socks? So that your foot becomes smoother. If you put some powder on the floor, you can slide even more easily. Why? Because powder makes it even more smoother. But then you can also go and bang into something and have a nasty accident. Having less friction isn't always a good thing. The force of friction is very interesting to learn about. We use it all the time without even realizing it. When you play carom, you sprinkle boric powder on the board. Why? To reduce friction so that the coins can slide better. But too much boric powder makes them slide too smooth and you don't have much control on the striker. So, you don't put too much either. Look at the soles of your shoes. They have grooves on them. Why? So that even if the road is smooth like the tiled floor in your school building, you still won't slip and fall. The shoe soles give you friction so that you can walk properly. What happens when you step on a banana peel or on a wet floor? You slip and fall. Why? Because the surface becomes very smooth and the friction becomes very less. Can you see how important friction is? Now, when you look at the grooves on the tires of your car or cycle, you will know why they are made so rough. The grooves are called tread and they help to hold on the road. You also know why it is important to change the tires when they start becoming smooth. Smooth tires means lesser friction, which means lesser grip, and that makes it a dangerous drive.